Good morning class, welcome to our college Sharad Institute of Technology Polytechnic Edrao Department of Information Technology. Today start 25th lecture on course that is subject name data structure using C. There is our vision mission statements of our department. Departmental vision statement is that to excel in information technology engineering education, to produce professionally competent engineers with lifelong learning attitude for the accomplishment of your growing needs of society and industry. After that, departmental mission statement, in their three statements are there. First, to provide quality education through effective teaching learning methodologies with simulating environment for preparing technical and professional competent engineering. Second one is that to build up professional skills in students that will help them to succeed and progress in their personal and professional career. Third one is that to embed professional ethics and social responsibilities in students for society and environment. You already know what is our syllabus of our course. In that total 5 units are there. We already completed unit number 1 and unit number 2. Now we start the unit number 3, stacks and queues, for 20 marks. Okay. After that, course outcomes. Okay, course outcome means after the completion of course, what you able to achieve. Okay. So course number CO3, that is implement basic operations on stack and queue using array representation. This CO is achieved after the completion of unit number 3. Okay, after that, syllabus of that unit stacks and queue, there are the 3.1 introduction to stacks. Okay, after that, introduction to queues. In that, under sub points are there. These points are one by one we have studied. So now we continue on today's lecture on the point, which point? Stack as an abstract data type. Okay, a stack is structured as an ordered collection of items where items are added to and removed from the end, called as top. Clear that? What is meant by stack? Stack is the structure or to order. Okay, is ordered through structure. How to that data are added and removed in which place? Through top. So in that said that it is the ordered collection of items where items means that elements are added and removed from the end. That position or that place is called as top. In the introduction of stack, in that also we points are clear. After that, tags can also be defined as abstract data type, that is ADT. What is meant by ADT? ADT points are already covered in unit number 1 and also completed in your previous semester in a C language. What is meant by abstract data type? Actually, abstract data type means what? In a simple sentence, ADT means user defined data type. User defined data types. You already what is said as a data type. Data type means which type are we use on that program that are defined, that is known as the data type. Okay, so in that said that abstract data type means what? These are abstract data type, user defined data types. Abstract data types means user defined data types, means user are in your function or in our program you create your own data types that said to be user defined data types. Means what? For example, in a C, which are the data types are there? Okay, for example, int, float, these are the fixed. Okay, means using through C language, through where that data types are already created and that are you use. means int for integer, float for floating, char for character, same as that. Same true, some data types are defined by user, that's said to be abstract data type. Clear that? So in that point is that stack as an abstract data type, means stack is also abstract data types. Stack is also create your own user defined data types. How will be that are studied on that today's lecture. Okay, the stack abstract data type is defined by the writing its structure and operations. In that said that the stack abstract data type is defined by writing its structure and operations, means that is said as the abstract data type. Okay, abstract data types means user defined data types. User are create their own data types. In that stack, how will which own user data types are used? Structure and operations. Okay, after that stack are ordered LIFO, means last in first out. You already know. Okay, means in a stack which order is used? LIFO, last in first out. After that, in order to create stack as ADT, one can write following functions and their functionalities. In that said that stack as a ADT means abstract data type. In that write which structure and operations. Okay, in that said that which that are write the functions, which functions are used, that one by one studied. First create. Okay, in after that points, this operation creates a new stack. You use stack, so first of all you create the stack. So in that, what is the function of that create operation? This operation creates a new stack. In that point said that writing structure and operations are said as the abstract data type. So these which operations are used? These operations are known one by one. This operation is used to create an empty stack. Okay, this operation is used to create an empty stack. On the word is indicate that create means created. Okay, what created? Stack. Which stack? New stack or empty stack. Clear that? Initially set the value of top is -1, which is used to show the stack is empty. Clear that? In our previous lectures also studied the points push pop up. That time I am saying that first of all initially top is equal to -1 is initialized, because already you are first of all you create that stack, that time no any elements are there. So initially top is equal to -1 initialize. So algorithm is that create and stack is that's algorithm is create and under the and in a bracket stack, means which stack are create that pass to that function or operation. Which operation? Create operation. And the step is first initialization begins set top is equal to -1. After that step 2 exit. Okay, what is the purpose of this create operation? Only for create a new stack, new empty stack. Okay, how will we create operation means function is used and pass the which stack are we create, that stack name is pass. And top is equal to -1 is initialized, means that we create the empty stack. Okay, after that second operation is that push. Okay, the process of adding a new element to the top of the stack is called as push operation. Clear that? In our previous lecture we also done. In that chapter these repeat the some points again and again. Okay, in that said that adding a new element on the top of the stack is called as push operation. That is insertion of an element into the stack is called as push operation. What is meant by push operation? Insertion of element into the stack. Okay, and in which through that elements are added on the using through top of the stack. Okay, algorithm is that push function is used. In that function which elements are passed? Stack, top, size and atom. Clear that? Stack means in which stack you added the element. top means that using through top pointer through you elements are added. After the size, what is the size of that stack? And item, which element are added, that are said to be item. Okay. After that, step 1, what is the algorithm for that push operation? Means how will be new elements are added on that stack. First step, check the stack overflow, means in that check the stack is full or not. Okay, how will we check it? If top is equal to, if top greater than is equal to size. Okay, first of all, size is created, size is initialized of that stack. For example, size will be 4, so greater than 4, that top pointer means that stack is overflow, means stack is full. Okay, after that, return. The stack is not full, then second step will be executed. In the second step, set the position of top pointer. Okay, means top pointer will be initialized. How will we set that? Top is equal to top plus 1. Okay, means what? First of all, top is initialized -1, so pointer will be incremented, means set that minus plus 1 means -1 plus 1 means 0, means top is equal to 0 is initialized. Because it is a stack, it is a use the array concept, so array start will be 0, so top will be initialized to automatically 0. Okay, after that, step 3, which step 3? Apply insertion, means in through step 3, data or element will be inserted on the position. Which position? Stack of top is equal to 0, so stack of 0 means first element will be inserted on that stack. After that, exit. Okay, means that push operation, for what is the function is that new element to be inserted onto the top of the stack. That only for function is done under the push operation. Pushing an element in the stack invoke arraying of element as a new element will be inserted at the top, and after the every push operation is top is incremented by 1. Okay, clear that? Means push means one by one elements are added one after, so automatically top will be incremented. After that, pop. Third operation is that pop. The process of deleting an element from the top of the stack is called as pop operation. Clear that? What is meant by pop operation? In under the pop operation, what is the function is done? Deleting an element from the top of the stack. That is, deleting of an element from the stack is called as pop operation. Okay. Push and pop is opposite. In a push, adding the element, and in a pop, deleting the element. Clear that? Algorithm is that pop function in that pass the element values which are the stack, top, size and item. Same stack, already stack is need, because on that stack you will be elements are inserted. Top means their pointer, size means that size of the stack, item means that which elements are added, removed. Okay, pop means removed. In that item, that which elements are removed, and on the push, in that item means which items are added. Okay, clear that? In that step, in that, what is the algorithm is that, what is the first of all check is, there's you in a stack you will be elements are removed. Okay, so first of all check on that element any elements are there or not. Okay, means that stack is empty or not, that condition will be first of all check it. After that you will be elements removed. Clear? Okay, so steps are check underflow condition. Underflow means that check the stack is empty. If top is equal to -1, then message will be displayed underflow. Means -1 means what? That stack will be empty. Okay, then stack is empty, then how will be element will be removed. Okay, so first of all check that stack will be empty or not. -1 means not, that stack will be empty. So after that it is a top is equal to -1 is not, condition is not true, then step 2 will be executed. What is the step 2? Delete the top element. Okay, set atom is equal to stack of top. Okay, okay, means what? That stack of top. Okay, atom in that top is equal to -1 means it is condition is not true. After that this step 2 will be executed. In that, for example, stack is equal to, top is equal to 1 means stack of 1. That stack of 1 means so that array of 1 element will be initialized to that item. Okay, after that step 3, set the value of top means what? Set top is equal to top minus 1. Okay, in that stack of top means in that we consider the top is equal to 1. Okay, so stack of 1 are initialized to item. After that top pointer is automatically -1 will be executed, means 1 to that 1 minus 1 0 means top is equal to 0 means automatically top pointer is set as the 0 and that item 1 is automatically removed it. Okay, and step 4, return. After every pop operation the stack is decremented by 1. Why will be stack is decremented by 1? Because using through pop operation, that function is that pop operation, 1 by 1 elements are removed. Which elements are on the top element? That 1 by 1 removed. So automatically logic is that top is automatically -1 decremented by 1, then automatically above elements are automatically deleted 1 by 1. Okay, and in a push 1 by 1 element are added, so top will be incremented, and in a pop 1 by 1 elements are removed, so top pointer will be 1 by 1 decremented. Clear that? After that, fourth is empty. Fourth operation, which operations are used, is empty. This operation checks whether the stack is empty. Okay, clear that? This operation is checks whether the stack is empty. This operation returns true if the stack is empty and otherwise returns false. Okay, means what? In is empty operation when we use, when this operation check whether the stack is empty. That function is returned true means stack is empty, and this return false means that stack is not empty. Okay, after that is full, means this function is used to check whether the stack becomes full or not. Okay, this function through check that stack is full or not. In addition, a stack is have following operations. Okay, first init means initialize the stack pointer. These are the basic functions. Okay, without this function stack will not any operations are done. Okay, first of all we said that stack is the ADT. ADT means user defined functions. In that, which user defined functions are used? These operations and that structure that return as the ADT. Okay, means which operations that are create. First of all stack is created. After that push elements are added, pop elements are removed. After that is empty means check the stack is empty or not. After that is full means check the stack is full or not. This, we hope that these 5 operations, addition, other elements, other operations are there. These functions are init means initialize the stack pointer. After that display the content of that stack. Okay, using through push, you in a stack you have elements are added 1 by 1, but that elements also you displayed it, so that time display function is used. After that size returns the number of items in the stack. Okay, means what? Using through size operations return the number of items that stack. How many numbers of items are there in a stack, that will be returned using through size operation. After that top returns the first element of the stack. Means what? Using through top operation, what will be returned? the first element of that stack. These are the addition operations. Main operations are there: create, push, pop, is empty and is full. Clear that? Next, summary on that today's lecture. On that today's lecture, we only see the point stack as a abstract data type. Okay, why we said that the stack is abstract data type? Because in that ready-made data types are not used. Okay, which are the ready-made function? Which are the ready-made data types? Means int, float, char. These are the data types. Okay, these data types are not used on that stack. Why we not is used on that stack? Because these using through data types, not any operations are done on that stack. So in that additional or in that user defined data types are used, that's said to be abstract data type. Clear that? This means abstract data type means that ready-made data types are not used. Users are own their functions will be executed using through data types. That data types are known as abstract data types. Okay, clear that? And these abstract data types means what? Using through that function, their structure and operations, using that operations through create their own functions are done. So that are known as the abstract data type of that stack. Which operations? That create, push, pop, is full, is empty. Okay, and additional 4 operations are there, which are the int, display, size and top. Okay, clear that? After that, homework on that today's lecture. Continue the assignment number 3. Fifth question is that explain stack as an abstract data type. In that, write the description and also their operations in detail. Clear that? Okay, here stop on today's lecture. On that lectures, any points, any doubts arise, then contact with me, no problem. Okay, thank you.